IVM.
Namaskar. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and good to see you here, dear friend, on Begin the Journey. Let's communicate. Yes, let us communicate. Haven't we heard this term before? Let's communicate. In fact, we have told people often, why don't you allow me to communicate? And then we ask them, why don't we communicate? Communication is something which is the beginning of a lot of fights. Communication is something which we have seen sorts out a lot of contradictions. Lack of communication is what we understand is what causes fights. And communication is something that we have noticed which makes sure that fights and differences are resolved. But is there another part of communication too? Let's explore that. Consider for a moment, dear friend, each day in our life, with the things that we are dealing with, a lot of things get pent up within us. We hold it deep within us and we do not want to communicate it. It remains within us and we think that who in the world is going to listen to us? Who in this world has time for me? Who in this world will ever understand what I'm going through? That is a pressure cooker kind of a scenario. Things keep building within us. And then, sadly, there comes a time when it all explodes. The way out, the pressure valve out of this scenario is communication. It's like you make a tiny hole in that pressure cooker to make sure that that pressure doesn't explode your head. It is possible, dear friend, to release that pressure. And that is done through communication. Now, what is communication? Communication is something which you are withholding. Anything that you wish to say, how I wish I could have said that, how I wish I could have ever shared with the world what I really wish to. That is communication, which has till now been withheld. Release it. You may have to look for people with whom you can speak. And in today's day and time, believe me, there are people whom you can reach out to. Some of them could be your friends. Some of them could be professionals who are there available. Because what happens is that when we withhold communication, that communication which is undelivered, which is lying inside our heads, it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. And the problem also seems so much more difficult than ever before. But that same problem, as we start talking about it, we realize that a whole lot of the things which were happening in our head were actually echoes of the conversation which we were trapping inside our head. Over the years in my life, I have discovered that these things that have trapped in my head, they have stopped me, they have dissuaded me from taking the full experience of life. Today, I'm inviting you. Yes, my friend, I am inviting you. Open up, pick up the phone, reach out through an email to begin a conversation with someone. I promise you, there are people who are there to listen to that which you think that you cannot communicate. And I promise you, as you communicate, you will feel lighter. You will feel that there is someone in this world who also has a similar thing like what I'm dealing with. Dear friend, lack of communication makes us think that we are all alone. We are in a peculiar situation. How can I ever tell this to anyone? How can anyone ever understand where I am? But I promise you, life is more varied than you have ever imagined. There are people who are going through that same condition that you are going through. Speak out. Reach out. Allow people to make a difference to you. Sometimes, just someone listening to you makes a difference. And as you release that pressure in your head, it'll allow for space for some other ideas to come in your head so that you can look out and create something beyond what the injuries of these communications have done to you. I promise you, life is truly great when we can allow the different aspects of life to show up. So do not allow the past conversations to sit in your head and create something which you can't control. Let it out. Let it fly free, and you will discover that you are light. Light to enjoy life, life to dance with life, and light enough to embrace different thoughts, many different thoughts than what you ever imagined existed. As I have this conversation with you, I'm telling you that I continually communicate my fears, communicate my anxieties, communicate things that I feel that I cannot do. And I have discovered ways and methods to go far beyond what my withheld communication otherwise told me to. Inviting you to find new ways to communicate and reach out and create new friendships. This amazing world is awaiting your communication, dear friend. Live, breathe, and breathe out. Cheers and love as you breathe out your thoughts. Cheers and love as you live light and free. Thank you for walking along with me on Begin the Journey. Look forward to meeting you the next time. Till then, take care, stay bright, and be in communication. Love, light, cheer. Al-Shukran Bandhu. Al-Shukran Zindagi. Feel free to stay in touch with me on Instagram on Ashish Vidyarthi1, on Twitter on Ashish Vid, and on LinkedIn, as well as my YouTube channel, Ashish Vidyarthi Official. Al-Shukran Bandhu. Al-Shukran Zindagi.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week. Thank you so much to Cred, CED, and Global Victoria. Without you guys, this thing would not be possible. So, on the note, Maruk Inayat gives us an overview of the potential Twitter ban in India. On this round is on me. Gauri Devi Dayal was joined by actor-producer Purna Jagannathan to talk about her career in Bollywood, Hollywood, and theatre. She talks about the upcoming season of the show Never Have I Ever. On Cyrus Says, we had legendary musician Usha Uttup. She took us through her journey and shared her experiences as the unconventional musician. In the second installment of the Father's Day special on Akla Station Adulthood, Ayushi has a candid conversation with her father, Siddharth Amin. On the Global Victoria Tech Talks podcast, we showcase some compelling new tech stories coming out of Melbourne. Whether it's from the buzzing gaming industry or the robust edtech sector, Victoria is increasingly becoming a hub of emerging technology. And we talk to some thought leaders and industry legends about the same. Catch all the action from the World Test Championship on the Edges and Sledges podcast. For our Hindi listeners, we have Khel Niti, which goes live on YouTube every morning. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Working Monday to Friday glued to your chair making you feel dull? Worry not. Get your 5-minute weekly dose of travel around the world with Postcards from Nowhere. Join me every Thursday as I explore the strange, obscure, and fascinating parts of the world and bring out facets of travel you may not have thought of before. You can find us on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.